Friends, hope you will be fine. Today we will study about storage classes. Now, storage classes in C. Storage classes in C are used to find out the lifetime visibility memory location and initial value of a variable. In C language, we have four type of storage classes. We have automatic storage class, we have external storage class, we have static storage class, and at last we have register storage class. Now let us describe all these classes one by one. Now, if we have a auto storage class, then its storage place is RAM and its default value is garbage value and its scope is local. If we have external, that is extern, its storage place is RAM, its default value is 0 and its scope is global. If we have static storage class, it is also in the RAM, its default value is 0 and its scope is local. If we have register storage class, then the values are saved in register its default value is garbage value and its scope is local. Now let us describe each of the class one by one. Now we have automatic storage class. Now in this automatic variables are allocated memory automatically at runtime. Now the second point is the visibility of the automatic variables is limited to the block in which they are defined. Now, the automatic variables are initialized to garbage by default. The memory assigned to automatic variables gets freed upon exiting from the block. Now, the keyword used to define automatic variables is auto. Now, in C language, every local variable in C is auto by default. Now, what we have to do, we have a main function. Inside the main function, we have a variable integer a. By default, it is auto, but if you want to explicitly mention, then you have to mention auto here. So this variable will be allocated memory inside the RAM. Now, upon printing, we will get a default value, that is a garbage value. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.